Hello, YouTube. Pretty cold today. Got a nice delivery. Very nice delivery. My spare Quicko, which I'm kind of confused because, hello, Juiced. Because it says Quicko there, look, but the actual, it says Quicko, so it's kind of different, but yeah. Just gonna open it quick. Yeah, very nice, Juiced. Your setup's looking amazing, especially with your arm. I noticed though your microscope's not actually connected. Yeah, I needed a new one just because my one, just in case it fails again, but I've already got one of these. It's exactly the same with what I've currently got. So there's no point even looking at it. Yeah, very cool. Very nice. Does it come with a free tip? Which one does it come with? Ah, comes with a chisel tip. Not a fan of that. Hello, EDM. Hello, Michael, Falcon, Aussie. Hi, guys. They're a good price. Yeah, £25. Bargain. £25, and I absolutely love mine. I did order something else as well, but they didn't send me the correct thing. Well, they sent me part of it, and now the listing's unavailable as well. So if you look here, best tested in case it didn't work. Oh yeah, true. It's a T12 tip for one of those like analog stick replacement things. They only sent me the bloody tip and not the rest. I paid bloody £14.77 for it, and they've only sent me this. I'm like, come on, man. Where's the rest of it? Is that my door again? Jesus Christ. Oh, 2 seconds, guys. Oh, no. Nothing exciting. Oh no, I've looked at one of these. EAE is so scummy with those. Yeah, it's not fair. I did not pay £14 for a shaft. I get a better shaft from the missus for that price. Right, I've got to quickly test my iron quick. Where did it go? Oh, on the floor. Well, the base, to see if the base works. I'm sure it does. Got shafted. I did. Andy is at the door. Hello. You could say you got shafted. Yeah, I guess I can. Oh yeah, they give you feet. Nice one. Right, I've got to quickly unplug my current one. Plug this in quick. Turn it on. Yep, it works. It says SE. Yeah, assuming it works. Let me quickly screw in my solder iron. Oh, what's that now? Oh, not again. Front door's detected someone. Where's my phone? Let me see if it's because sometimes they don't bother ringing the door, they just knock. No, it's just a big lorry going past that time. Okay. Right, let's try it with the iron. Just quick. Yep, it's heating up. Wait, what's it set to? 330, 40, 50, 60. That sounds different to mine. The beep sounds different. Anyway, it works. Oh, I'm sorry. Hello, interesting thing. Stop retracting your messages. Tommy Bordrev. Hello, Bordrev. Sorry, I will start in a second. So I repaired that tablet, the one with the bad USB-C port. She received it and she's like, oh, Wi-Fi is not working unless you go right next to the router. I'm like, damn, I think I may have forgotten to plug in an antenna. That kind of sucks. Right, so that works. That's pointless. I'll have to contact Ali later. Right. So as you can see, we're going to fix or try to fix a car radio with no power. The keyboard is messing with me. I have to fix it. Oh, okay. No worries. And this got sent over by... Is he in chat? No, I don't think he is. This is by Tom. Tom's not here currently. But I said I was going to go live at 3. Slightly after because my daughter was late getting out of school. No, it wasn't. She was a little bit and traffic was bad. Hello, Sergio. Cool, that's new. Yeah, something new, yeah. Yeah, I'm opening this first because there's a gift inside here, along with an adapter that I needed. Whoops, I've just broken the box.
And he's the best.
Pico! Thanks, Russ. What? Why have I got CDs? Why did he give me a bunch of CDs?
I've got a really small one.
Is that the gift? Or is this to try the radio with? How am I going to try the radio? Oh my god, I don't know. Maybe it's just... No idea. Oh no, maybe that's the gift. Chocolate bonbons. Let's go. Yoo. That's cool. They're out of date, but that's cool. No, they're not out of date. That is nice. Thank you, Tom, wherever you are. Cool. Thing is, it's really warm in here, so they're going to start melting. So this is the power adapter. How am I supposed to power it up, though? Oh, okay. 12-volt ground. Speaker. Oh, nice. He's actually put his own connectors on there. From M&S as well. Yeah, very fancy. Car stereo adapter. Yeah. Bickies. All right, now I've got to get these radios out. One is a donor and one's the faulty one. Well, actually, they're both faulty, but I don't know which one's which. So I'm hoping he's written... I'm guessing that's a donor. Could be wrong. Very well packaged. Yeah, that's got to be the donor. Here's the real thing. You could test CD player. Yeah. That's what the CDs are for. Hello, Nandor. Oh god, it's getting hot already. All right, let's have a look at this donor first. Trying to save the bubble wrap because bubble wrap is precious. Damn it. Well, I have got my blades for my scalpel. Oh, I've already replaced it. Oh, I don't remember doing that. Okay. Fucking hell, it's hot. I had my dad over earlier. It was a nice little visit. Happy Thursday, all. Happy Thursday, PCDD. You're obsessed with the goat milk thing. Yeah, it's whenever you... it's whenever you do Rusty Russ. I can't remember who added that. So this has got an issue, but apparently only a few people in the world know how to solve it and they won't share the information. So he's asked me if I'm able to try and figure out what it is. But this is also a donor one to fix this one. So unless I've got the correct component that I'm going to use from this, and it's going to be hard to diagnose. But we'll come back to that in a second. To make it 3. What? What, Phil? Hey, Phil. To make it 3. What do you mean, Phil? Three people once you fixed it. To make it 3 people once you fixed it. Oh, I see. Yeah, I said about a couple of people, only a few people. What's the problem with it? This has got blown components on it. He did send a picture of the component. Oh, is there any information on it? Oh, yeah, he's given me a little letter. Oh, it says blown chip on the PCB, cap pictures in email, and it's got his return and everything on it. Okay, hopefully I didn't disclose that. I didn't expect that. A challenge, Andy. When you fix will be number 4. Yes, hopefully.
Oh no!
But what I'm going to have to do with this donor, though, is whichever ones I take from here to fix this, I've then got to replace it again with this to find out what else is wrong with it. Unless it's an MCU issue and only a few people know how to reprogram it. I don't know. Doesn't sound particularly difficult. Thank you, Joseph. Hello, Joseph. Right, so let me get into this. Right, do I need to take the facier off? Why cry? Don't cry. Hopefully it's not the processor caused it to be paired with the car for anti-theft purposes. Yeah. So it looks like it's just a few screws to undo it. I've also ordered 2 new electric screwdrivers because I'm sick of this one now. I am sick to death. And there it is. Absolutely sick to death of it. Waste of bloody money. 70 odd quid. It's so cool that almost every electronic have a motherboard. Yes, I guess it is. Okay, so that's the lid off. Oh, there's the actual CD player itself. Okay. Oh, that what? Oh, okay. Yep. There you go. And the speaker I've got for testing is my DIY radio speaker. Bosch electric screwdrivers are I know. I've had 2 of them. They've both got the same fault. Absolutely stupid. Should be a diode after the M's. Should be a doddle. Yeah, Rick. Yeah, that was a nightmare. Get a Walks. A what? A WX242. I have ordered a Walks. All right, wait a minute, Sir Jew-man. Oh, yeah, I can see it from here. Hold on. Oh, is my volume too loud, by the way? I have put a little gain on it. I have actually got my own filter on it. So I've ordered, I think it's by Walks. Yeah, hold on, I have got a Walks. Wait, seems fine my end. Okay, so I've ordered this one, a WX240. Is that the same or is that different? Oh, this is slightly different, Nandor. I've ordered that. Still 5 Newton meters of power, which is the same as this. So I was like, okay. And I've had to order this because I know it's not the same. And I had to order this. You know that's the most powerful driver going, right? 242 had clutch. Oh, does that one not have a clutch? Oh no. Neither does that. That don't have a clutch. Well, I'll have to see how I get on with it. Right, this blown chip. Oh, my microscope just about clears it.
Oh no!
God, it's really dark. Really dark in there. It's not getting enough light. Oh no. There. It's a bit dark. Maybe I could brighten up a little bit. Transistor or MOSFET, yeah. So I've got Karen stripping it apart anyway. I take it from this other donor, which doesn't even look like this. Yes, it is the same. Is it the same? Yeah, it is the same. I can tell you exactly what it is. It says ZP18? ZP18? I want to say that's ZP18. Let's have a look. ZP18 transistor? Maybe? I can see it. So can I. It's not. Wait, what is it? A Xenodiode. Oh, it's a Xenodiode. Oh, is that like one of those diodes things? Low power No. How's that a diode? You need a PD light. What's a PD? Well, the only information I can see on it is it is a SMD transistor PNP 20 volts 2 amps. Oh, has it got E3? Oh, it's C5. That says C06. Wait, what does that say? Bipolar junction transistor BGT around 2 amps 20 volts. No, because if you could see, it's got ZP and then it's got 1, and then if you look sideways, it's 05. ZP105. ZP105. Is that it? No. C5 is a production or something. So it's just ZP1s. ZP1. God. Ignore the 05C5, that's production date. Yeah, thank you. Afternoon, Andy T741. Hello. Yeah, go ahead. You could ask anything you want. It's a SOT23 SMD transistor, PNP 20 volt 2 amps. Double diode, yeah. It could be. Yeah, long time no see as well, Andy, by the way. Right, let's carry on getting this apart so I could get to the... I mean, I could do it from inside, but should I just take it out? Nah, so it's right next to a connector as well. So I suppose I could just take the walls off. It takes 2 seconds. Who's that? Yodel. Hi, we have delivered your parcel behind the wheelie bin. For God's sake, man. Oh yeah, no, that was the woman. That was for my soldering iron and stuff. Take the transistor out and measure the output for short. The output on the PCB. Oh yeah, I see what you mean. Yeah. Oh well, let me take this off first anyway. See, just cut out. It's fucking annoying. It's just getting worse. How's that clipped in there? Hello, Hecatorita. Hello. Bosch bin, yeah. Screw Bosch, man. Right, do I need to take... I don't think I do. How the hell do you get this apart? Do I need to undo the bottom screws? The bottom screws here? Yeah, bottom screws are missing on that, but that's for the fascia. I don't want to take the fascia off. Oh, wait. Do I just do it from above? Yeah, why not? I'll just do it inside. Oops, caps. Why? What you shouting? Fail-safe application. If you find one made in Germany, it's allegedly better. Hello, CGX. Hello, I'm from the post office queue. Hello, Tom. I'm in the post office queue. Oh, thank you for the biscuits, by the way. Do a Soren style without taking the board out. It depends how much of a heatsink it's going to take. But yeah, let's remove this first. I have got some protection to protect the connector. Ugh. Small. Oh, you guys can't even see. Small nozzle. Yeah. Don't worry. Yeah, to minimize the spread.
I've got a really small one.
Have you, James? Have you? I've got a Dyson hairdryer down here. It's just a dodgy wire, so I've ordered a new power cable. Ouch. Okay, should be good. Oh yeah, what was your advice? Okay, I'm changing caps and the ones on the board factory fitted are 3,300 UF, but the schematic service manual says they are 4,700. Should I replace like for? I would go like for like. To be fair, wow, already burnt out. Yeah, that's why I've got to see if there's a short on there. I'll check a short before and after. You can remove the front panel for better access. 4 screws. To be honest, I won't really need better access. Yeah, let's do it then. What did you say they were? Front panel, better access, 4 screws, 2 metal clip things. 4 screws. I could only see. Oh, here. 4 screws and 2 metal clip things. What about? Oh, there's more than 4 screws. No, wait. I can only see 2 screws there. Oh, and you're on about these 2 screws up here, which I've already taken most of them off. Oh, it's cut out again. Four screws, and these 2, I guess, as well. Yeah, here it goes. It's coming off. These are the same as PS5 screws. Two metal clip things, so I'm taking that as a clip there. How the hell do these clips work? God, I've got to turn that radiator off.
At Ruggers Customs became a member. At Ruggers Customs celebrates
Thank
3
you,
months
Ruggers,
of membership.
for becoming a membership for 3 months. Thank you so much. Why did I not hear the notification? Is it because desktop audio is muted? Probably. Hold on a minute. Audio. Desktop audio. Default. Apply. Okay. Hopefully that's probably fixed it. Well, it's done something. Yeah, it's that metal clip. There you go. That's one. Oh, well, the other one's fine. Okay, so what is that water damage screen there, Tom? Mercedes? I don't know what brand it's from. What car? What model? And a lot of CDs for me to listen to in it. I don't know if that's liquid damage in that screen or what. Well, yeah, that didn't really help much. Well, I guess. Maybe. Anyway, let me test it. I test things. Right, going into continuity first. Let's find a ground. Hopefully this is a ground. Let me see. Yeah, so no short there. I think it's full on blown, so it's no short there and no short there. So it's actually, it's probably burnt the traces, 100%. Traces are probably damaged. But yeah, there's no short on it. And that is a ground because, yeah. It's a 1993 Kenwood Stereo Surge UK. I've a fault on the -30 AVR circuit and suspect caps. PNP, so it powers something. Yeah, but there's no shorts on it. Well, let me just pull it off. Let's have a look. Oh, that's crispy. Ah. Right, I'm going to do 370 because I don't know what this board's like at 40% airflow and going away from the connector. I need a bit more light. Actually, I will go higher. Stuck. Wow, that's fused. Okay. Don't know where that went. Let's hope it's not welded. Well, I think it is a little bit. I'm just going to add some solder onto these legs to see what it looks like. Sorry, I had a phone call. Everyone wants to contact me now. Oh, nice. That's good. Transistor blowed, yeah. Oh, my soldering iron's not even on. Sorry, just waiting for it to warm up. I want to watch the live stream. Leave me alone, people. Right, let's try get this out. Yeah, that's... Okay, that pad's gone. Yeah, the pad's gone. Oh no! It's fine, you can just jump it. Oh no, is that a Via? No, it's not a Via. It's not to a Via, don't worry. Let me try and clean it up a bit. I could see clearly now, the rain has gone. Yo, hello Dave. See a bit more now. Oh, please don't. Oi, shut up, CG. Try to put some copper tape. Try to put it some copper tape. What? Try to put it some... Is that to me interesting things? What do you mean? Try to put it some copper tape. Who's that? Is that the door? No. No need for copper tape. Board not burned. Nice. No, it hasn't burnt through, thank God. It's just surface damage. So that's good. No, I could just do a big blob of solder from there to the end of the transit PNP thingy-majiggy. Alright, so we confirmed that it's not actually blown. So that's what it's supposed to be. Maybe it's from the connector. Yeah, because it comes from the connector. Maybe that's what blown it. Yeah, or I could just solder a wire. Yeah, I could do anything. It's not hard to do. To rebuild it. Yeah, yes, it is for you, Andy. Oh, yeah, no need to rebuild it. I could just link it because it's literally right next to each other. Right, let's get this out. I don't want to burn this connector neither. So, more tape. Hot glue it. You did the exclamation mark look. I can't see. Oh, Sergio, the water damage LCD is powered from the connector. Oh, yeah. Yeah, Tom, is that water damage, that screen? Because that's probably what would have caused it. Is that liquid damaged? That would make sense. No. Yeah. No, not really. It's not. No, that's the connector for the disk drive. That's the disk drive thing, unless this got liquid damaged. I'm pretty sure that goes in there. Yeah, so... Oh, you guys can't see still. No, that screen glue and the screen is not the original. Facia arrived destroyed. I've sent you a knackered spare. What if it's knackered? Can I still test it? JFix, these scissors are crap now, mate. They're not good once you get carpet tape on them. So also, Tom, you said this one, why is my phone lighting up? This one has a fault that only a few people know. Oh, he's put look. Put look at the beginning of the sentence so I know which one to look at. Just knackered screen. Face your PCB good. Oh, right, I got you. Okay. 5-volt regulator may be shorted if the LCD is water damaged. It's not water damaged, but thank you. This connector's for the disk drive. Hello from Italy. Hello, Paolo Lugretti. Paolo Lugretti. Paolo. I'll just call you Paolo. Hello, Paolo. Blocked CD mechanism that makes motor draw more current equals stress transistor and blows it. Right, that's what the look's for. Yes, Paolo, there you go. Hello, Paolo. Welcome. Right, let's get this off. I'm going to use my more finer tweezers so I don't ping it off somewhere. Actually, I'm going to add a bit of leaded solder to it as well, just to reduce the heat. Okay, Paolo is good. Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you as well. The CD drive is a good working donor. Don't worry, it won't blow it again while testing. Amazeballs. Thank you. Right. Yeah, you said only a few people know how to fix this board. Because it has a common, not a common fault, but only a few people know. Man, this is really tight to get into. Oh, I can't, I'm going to have to change the angle. Let's turn it around. Now I've lost it. There it is. Okay. Hello. What? I'm working. Look, take the other one next to it. More room. It's too late now. I'm committed. But thank you. Committed now. Okay. There you go. You have another one next to it, same part number. That's what she said. More room. I read that. Yeah. It's fine, but thank you anyway for your suggestion. I like making things harder for myself. All right, lower the temperature and airspeed now because it's got leaded solder on. Take a look at the trace and put it on. What? Take that good trace and put it on the other. Oh my god. Come on.
Oh no!
What? Are you oh no in for? Wait, is the quality okay? There you go. It's a bit clearer. Now put a big blob of solder on that. Big blob time. Yeah, it is. Big blob of solder. Wait for my iron to heat up. There you go. Here we go. We're going in. Damn it. Can't see. Damn it. Damn it. That's... Hey! Perfect. I want to clear up the other blob on the left there, look. There you go. That's a nice blob. Nice and shiny blob. Nice blob. Can you install Linux on that soldering station? I don't think I can, Strawberry. I think it's the next model up that you can. And I had one of them, but the screen, it kept shutting down on me. The screen kept turning off, so I had to return it. Okay, I think that looks pretty sexy. Andy, that ring ground left to the blob. Yeah, but it's nowhere near it. Yes, it is ground by the looks of it. Solder touch the wires. You reckon it's not touching the wires? I could reduce it a little bit. I mean, I could do continuity tests, but I think we're safe. Yeah, we're good. See if it is ground though. Yeah, that is a ground plane. You guys don't like how close that is. Looks like me, fat in the middle. Okay, good. No, too fat. All right, I'll reduce it. Now this is where I'm going to remove the blob. Okay, that's reduced a little bit. What? Do not put flux. No, no, flux is fine. Chill, my brother. It's reducing, don't worry. I've got a nice iron, you see. Happy now? You awkward peeps. When you need blobs, do not put flux. Well, that's worked for me.
Andy's the best.
Thank you. I mean, I'm so happy now. I mean, I could even put some solder mask next to it if you really want me to. Looks much better now. How hot is that iron? My soldering iron doesn't melt the solder fast at 450. Mine's at 360 degrees. No. Okay. So I wouldn't. That looks sexy to me. ZP is then a diode. Yes, apparently so it is, yes. Yeah, 300. I love this soldering station. That's what I mean. It does solder so good. It melts it so quick. It's quick at heating up. Yeah, I use one tip for everything. Did I get cheap stuff? Probably. This is expensive solder. I'm using Kester solder. Looks good to me. Thanks, Tom. It's not the temperature, it's the heat delivery. Oh, is it? Ah, I've got good heat delivery then. I just think it's amazing. It even melts solder at 300 degrees pretty quick. Right, I guess it's testing time. Let me take off this. I'll check, see if there's any shorts first, because you never know. This could be a bad component. No melting at all to the connector. However, the connector is damaged. The connector looks a little damaged. Look, is that supposed to be a clip on there or something? ZP1 is a PNP transistor, right? So it's not a diode then, a Zener. ZP. Is Andy promoting another tour? Do we need to buy? Yes, I've got two now, Russ. It's a car radio with no power. The title up there, look. Car radio, no power, I think. Yes, just a clip, not my fault. Oh, no, that's cool. I'm not blaming you anyway. Right, continuity. Actually, I'll check in diode mode. That'll be better. Red probe on ground. We've got open line, obviously, because it's going straight from the connector, I guess. And we've got 0.8 and 0.192. Now, I don't know what the diode readings are supposed. Oh, 0.8 there before the resistor. Oh, yeah. After the resistor, it's reduced it to 0.193. I'm just very defensive. Just shove cable in, it'll be fine. Oh, really? Okay, I just like to check it. I just like to check it. But yeah, please buy the Quicko T12-951. £25. Amazing. Radio was working before I sent it. CD drives were very slow. Right. Oh, right. Okay. So it's still going to work. It's just that bit that blew. All right. Let's try it. Do you know which way this ribbon cable went in? Because I'm assuming if it goes... Oh, it needs the rest of the cage. You bugger. Oh, just plug it. That's the back. All right, let me just plug it all back to put it back together. Just like that. It clips in. There you go. And then the screws. You are right, Sergi. What's Sergi saying? Zenas have 2 legs and do not have a base with a thin trace and a pull-up resistor. Oh. Leave the screws after testing. Oh, for God's sake. All right, let me just get the fascia on then. It needs to be on anyway. I bet that stereo can run Linux. Strawberry, I take it you like Linux. Okay, so now we've got this on, so this could sit on top. Now, disk drive would be this way. So that means the ribbon cable must be this way. If it goes bang on me and catches fire, I'm going to blame you guys. Right, okay. Now, where has my adapter gone that got sent to me? Can anyone see it? Yeah, right here, look. Right, let's plug in. How many volts is it? 12 volts, isn't it? Oh, it's a car battery. Do a poll for magic smoke or not. You won't be able to see it. What? That'll do. It's 12 volt, 4 amps. That's lucky because my bench power supply is 5 amps. Do a poll for magic smoke. Oh. Hold on. I'll do a poll. Oh my God. My M button doesn't work on my keyboard. I have to press really hard. Why is it doing that?
No.
What's it doing? My caps lock is stuck on. That's better. That's the next thing you repair. What, this? big beach? Yeah, I do. I might as well just open it up and clean under the M. I have to press quite hard for it to work. Great actor, not fun to receive. My radio on my stream had magic smoke. Don't say that, please. Right, so guessing it's this way around. No, what the fuck? You did send me images which way around it goes. Surely it'll only go in one way. Does it go that way? Oh, it's got a lever on it. How the fudge? Oh man, I have no clue about car radios. So dumb. Right. Can't go that way. It must go not that way. You sure this is going to fit? Squeeze the middle of the lever. What? Let me squeeze the middle. Squeeze the middle bit of. Oh, I see. I see. There you go. This bit. Yeah, I see it. I got it. Well, that doesn't bloody do anything anyway. Right, how does this fit into there? Yeah, like that. Yeah, there you go. Got it. That's better. Okay, figured it out. Yeah, got it. Thanks. I can't even put a connector in. So bad. I misclicked to know. Oh, did you? Right, okay, I can end the poll now. Thanks, Russ. I'm not. I don't even know what results we got. Never played with Legos as a kid. No, you are absolutely correct. Yes, I wasn't that fortunate. My parents were skint. Wow. 55-45, quite close. Okay, here we go. So bench power supply. I will plug speakers in as well. So ground. Oh, what have you done to me? What's this fancy thing? Did you push it all the way up? Oh, you even wrote on there. Oh, is there a way I could open this up to take these off? Oh, coffee time, flop ace, all these new names. Hello. Put a hard wire in it. Oh, hello, Ventru. Raise the orange bit to reveal the wire. What? It is fucking raised. What do you mean? Replace with what you need. I just need to take it off. Oh, can I just pull that up and pull? How far do you pull it up? It's an Ali-Wago connector. Replace as required, cut off, etc. No, I'm not cutting it off. More. Okay, pull it up until it releases the wire. Oh, beautiful. Thank you. Right, okay, cool. So that's ground. Oh, such a simple thing and I can't work it out. That's so bad. That's the 12 volt. I'm not injecting yet. I am going to put a speaker in there. Right, it's my 6x9s, okay? It's my 6x9 speaker. Now, that won't clamp in there, will it? I don't think that will clamp. It's too small. Oh, it does clamp in there. Amazing.
I've got a really small one.
Have you? Poor little speaker. I know. Put your hands down, please, Stu. Hello, by the way, mate. Why did I send it to this guy? Because I'm good, but I'm not. I don't do DIY stuff. Is that going to clamp down? Okay. Don't know if that's grabbing on the metal or what. Right, here we go. Make sure they're not shorting out. Okay, we're good. Here we go. Will there be a charity stream? Yes, there will. There will be on the 21st. We all love Magic Smoke. You ready? I'm going to inject it. If you look at the bench power supply at the top there, we're going to put 12 volts into it. In 3, 2, 1. Oh, I see red light. It's glowing red. It's glowing. It's on. So ready? Here we go. Oh, it's a Volkswagen. Boom. Press power knob. I'll press U in a minute. Okay, so now do you want me to put a CD in there? I want to turn the volume down though, because it's only a little speaker. Okay, here we go. Right, I can't be bothered to take off the tape. Oh, yes, I can. Takes 2 seconds. Let's take out that one. There you go. Let's play New School. I'm going to get done for copyright now. You will blow the amp. What do you mean? Now, wait, what? Now, oh, top. Now you number 4. I knew you could do it. Number 4 what? What? Watch it around the speakers terminals. Oh, right, yeah. I'm trying to keep everything away from each other. It's fine. It's fine. Right, anyway, going in. Took the CD. CD's spinning. It says reading. Don't know, is it playing? No, it's just stopped spinning. Press CD until it... Oh, press media until CD appears at the bottom. Surely it should automatically play. Media. Oh, there it is. Oh, yeah, here it goes. It's playing. Yay, we've got sound. I could hear it. It sounds god-awful. Copyright, 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 copyright. Okay, so I think that works. Is it working? I thought you were real for a second. I thought that was real. Oh, really? I'm good at beatboxing. Right, so what's the issue with the other one then, Tom? That works. Okay, awesome. What's the other issue with the, well, obviously now it's got a missing PNP transistor, which I think I've got plenty of transistors now. Let's power that off. Turn off the benchy. Oh, how many amps was that drawing as well? I didn't take any notice. This was an easy pizza. Yeah. Might be easier to call me. Yeah. Oh yeah, you said about that, didn't you? Say copyright enough and it doesn't exist. Legend. Thank you, Flopperson. I think the donor needs a reflow of the eMMC ore processor. Well, let's have a look at the eMMC, because I can hand reball them. I can reball. So before I might, instead of reflowing, I could just take it off, reball. All right, let me screw these back together first. Lucky the disc was in good nick too. Are you joking? Have you seen how scratched it was? And he's good with balls. I suck with balls. Look at the state of that. Oh, actually, it doesn't look too bad on camera. Look at that one underneath there. Yeah, I suppose this is a good-ish condition. Only with small balls. How do I change color font on my name? What, to green? You have to pay money. Never neglect the balls. I'm not going to neglect the balls. Right, question, guys. Right, just so I know, how much would you charge for this repair? Because now I'm looking back at it, I think I may have overpriced, personally. Yeah, Venturi says 40. 700, funny. You're going to need the screen to potentially fix the donut. All right, okay. £60, 40. My repairs are free, are they? How much does that device cost? Yeah, usually it's based off the cost of the product. That I don't know. £65 says Stu. Usually half the price. Nah, see, I can't do that. I don't do no. Can't charge more than 50% of used unit. Sculptroid, high, £50. That's a very precise number. So it seems like it's between £40 and £60. 50p. Shut up, Chris. £70. Zula. Oh, hello, Zula Bud. Phone call. What? Why are you phone? What? Tom. All right, hold on. Let me quickly call Tom. Hold on. I always ask my customers this, but I always charge what I think anyway. Oh, I'm going to get told off. Hold on. La 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 la.
I've got a really small one.
Mike, hello, hello. Oh, hello. Right, Tom, that number, it can't be reached. I think it doesn't exist anymore. The one you put on the sticky note. It doesn't work. I've tried it twice, typed it in twice. Hello, J Fresh Fernando. And you were right about the screens, mate. J-ish. Both of them act in the same way. What it is, it's the screens are because they're third party. If you do it really quick, it won't register a full swipe. It keeps splutting out. Put your number in chat, Tom. No, Tom, if you could reach out to me, because my number's obviously public, you should be able to ring me if you got time. People charge between 40 to 100, maybe in between. Yeah, see, this is an automotive thing. That's the thing. Auto technicians charge a lot more. Yeah, I know. I said to him I don't usually do automotive stuff, and but I said this could be a repair I could do. Automotive stuff I don't really touch. No, Tom, then everyone would call you email Andy. What? You're £150 an hour. Oh yeah, you are GT Auto. You're £150. Yeah. Yeah, I think I personally think I've overpriced this repair. You're in USA. $150, what's that? Makes out to be about what, 90 to £100 here. Tom, call me. I'll share you my number on screen. Swindon Electronic Repairs. Okay, off phone. We'll call now. Oh, right, okay. You're on the phone. So 80, I was right. What, £80? Okay, we'll call now. What, you calling me or I call you? What's my phone percentage on? 18. I have a minute to 1 hour. Oh, here we go. Copyright. Copyright. Right. Hello, mate. You okay? Good. Yeah, I'm good, mate. What's up? Yeah, exactly. If that is all it is. but I literally try everything, measure everything, and see it under the thermal cam, see what's going on. Awesome. Appreciate that, Tom. Thank you. Yeah, all right, speak to you in a bit, mate. Bye. Hi, babe. I'm streaming right now, but yeah, I could help you quick. I'm sure they could wait. All right, I love you. Forever and always. Bye. Oh, I've got to help the missus with some shopping. Bring it in quick. This wasn't no power. I thought it was no power, but it's not. It's the disk drive wasn't reading, or it's going really slow. So this is sorted. While I have got it here, before I send it back tomorrow, I am going to try and diagnose this. Now, I want to know what part that other bit was that I've removed. How dare you put her first? Again? I know, again. It's all right, 2 seconds, guys. I'm going to be about, I don't know, 4 minutes. I've got to help her with the shopping, bringing it in. Sorry, guys, I'll be back. Just going to mute yours. Sorry. Oh, hello, Peter Dunlop, by the way. Yeah, so with this unit, apparently it lights up, but there's no display and nothing really functions, and it could sometimes turn on. It's like it's, yeah, we've got to try and figure that out. Oh, I've got to see if I got the correct transistor first, or whatever it is, PNP diode, PNP transistor. Because I have a few now. I've got some BAV 70s. Don't know what they are.
Best.
Thanks, Russ. Right, she's here now. She's at the back door. Right, I'll see you in a bit. All right, baby. I love you. Forever and always. I'm coming back, guys. Oh, yeah, that wasn't too long, was it? I love me too. Oh. Hello, Peter. How dare you put her first? Oh, I'm sorry. Again? I read that already. Yo, David. Hello. My arm is stuck. It's too fat. That's all red alert where I was carrying stuff. Right, that's assaulted. Yes, so what did you guys say that transistor was? And I'll measure it using my tester. Well, actually, that's just functions for the CD player they've done it, so I don't need to replace that. Hello, David. Good afternoon. I read that already. I am going to use your connector first, sorry. Until I figure out what the power is. Oh, the power's these two. Ground and positive. Positive being red. PNP transistor. Yeah, but what does it matter what the value is? I'm sure it does. I have got PNP transistors. I've got loads of bloody transistors now. Right, let's see what it's doing and see if we can reflow stuff to see if it works. 0 volt, 2 amps. Okay. You're a real cool kid. Tom, bless him, said I could keep the screen, the fascia, and the disk drive, which the disk drive I don't think you need, do I? Do I? I guess so. I don't really need it. For testing this one, see if I can get this working. If so, I'll be a millionaire because there's only a few people around the world can fix them. And if it's just due to reprogramming, which I don't think it is, because he said sometimes it all turns on. We all know how. We all know now. We all know now what? Oh, I hate using tweezers as a pry tool. Well, why do it then? I did it from the inside. Oh, there you go. Alright, so that's the repaired unit. Got to be shipped back. How to fix them? Go on, how do you fix it? Not that. This has got a different fault. How old are you, Andy? Can you take a guess? I used a pick tool to lever from inside. Yeah. I have got prying tools, Tom. I'm just lazy, like every person. So I've got a plastic spudger. I've got a metal one. Just go pry it. I'm just lazy. But don't tell anyone else. Andy, this is why you never have any good tweets. I know Ruggers and hello Ruggers. 36, 35, EDM Guru is correct. I'm 35. It's all good. It's your first day. It is for one of these. It's my first day and probably only first day because I don't do automotive stuff. I leave that for the automotive people. But okay, let's plug this screen in, see what it's doing. We'll see what it's not doing. Clip in. Oh, I guess it doesn't need to be fully clipped in. It's not clipping in. There you go. There you go. I would say around 30. No, I'm 35. It's just a small QNX PC. What is? My youngest son is 35. Oh, nice. Andy is 63. Looks good for his age. Little shit. Happy birthday for tomorrow, Andy. What? Don't know what you're on about, Stu. It's because Swindon never gets any sun. The radio's a QNX PC. Is it? Okay, thanks. Don't know what that means. Don't know what QNX. Shut up, Stu. Shh. Happy birthday, Russ. Who's 36 tomorrow? Russ, shut up, you little shit. Happy birthday, Russ. Right, let's have a look what this is doing. QNX is the operating system. Right. Oh, so it is Linux. It was my birthday yesterday, 42 now. Oh, nice. 42 still a good age. Shut up, Sean. I've seen your videos. Right, here we go. 12 volts going in. Whoa. I'm getting nothing. Oh, okay. So okay. So we are getting power. I hope you're streaming tomorrow. I don't know, Russ. It depends if I got any. If I got any. Oh, so is that the issue? So it's working now. It's in the workshop. Wow, sort of. It's gone a bit glitchy. Give it time and it'll die. Oh, we're back again. It's basically crashed. That's definitely like a RAM issue. Looks perfect to me. Hello, NanoFix. Hello, Zach. Not sure what's up with the screen. It's crashed. I could basically... Oh, well, maybe it's not plugged in properly. The screen was working fine a minute ago. Right. Whole power to reboot.
And he's the best.
Oh, thank you, Russ. It needs second 12 volt. No, it doesn't need a second 12 volt. It's died again. All right. Then turn it off and on again and turn off the bench power supply. There you go. It's dead again now. Yeah, but for it to glitch like that, that's definitely some sort of RAM issue, in my opinion. I think these two are RAMs. What I could do is try apply a bit of heat. See if it'll, well, probably not, but yeah, now it's dead. Could be power draw limitation, brown out test, brown out reset, brown out reset. Use thermal cam, see if anything's getting hot. What, pull in at 600? Oh no, now it's dropped. Now it's gone to 0. Why has it stopped drawing? Oh, okay, turning it on again. So when I first put 12 volts into it, why has it dropped down to 0 now? Could be power draw limitation, brown out reset. Yeah, I'll get the thermal cam out and have a look, but you can UART these if you really get deep when UART normally can't speak to UMC. How do you know so much, Tom? Where's the UART pin locations? I mean, I've got a spare Pico. Do you know what? These RAM modules look like Switch RAM modules. Micron, not Micron. Yeah, Micron. But you took that chip. No, interesting things. That's for the disk drive. It shouldn't affect anything else. RAM, dang dong. 12 volts, 600 milliamps, almost 6 watts. Something should be getting hot. Looks like water damage. No, that's flux. Reflow. Reflow the RAM. That's like RAM crashing. Yeah, I mean, there's all this stuff I could do. Oh, hello, Official Circuit Revival. Hello. Yes, you are looking at it. It's complicated. I've had to send you a diagram, pins out of the connector, and I didn't include cables. No, that's cool. Right, let me see what it's doing now. Put 12 volts in it. 600 on standby. Now, and then it drops back down to 0. And I press the power, and it's drawing 600. All right, let me get the thermal cam out. And then it drops back down to 0. Yeah. It's like it's trying to, but failing. But before it was starting up. Right, thermal cam. What is this device? It's a car radio. Yeah, it's a radio. car radio. I mean, it did work a minute ago, but it's just died. It's a Volkswagen car radio. There you go. Right, so we're drawing nothing. See if I can move you more into the screen. Make sure I'm not shorting out on anything. Okay. Right, here we go. 3, 2, 1. What's that underneath? And then it shuts off. Try that again. This area looks a bit warm. Let's go macro. Oh no, I don't think I can. It's only 29 degrees. It's diode. Why is diode? Yeah, that diode's lighting up on its own. Then you've got something on the other side of the board, whatever's underneath here. But the RAM, is the RAM? Yeah, the RAM's getting slightly warm. Yeah, that diode seems to be getting pretty warm. Just that one as well. All right. It's pretty big for a car radio. Is that an old car radio? I believe it is, but it's not. I don't know. And let me check that diode a second. It's that one on the left there that's warming up quite a lot. Well, I said warming up. One side's getting warm, but the other one isn't. Could be normal, but it could be a short. Bottom left, something gets warm. But I'll have a look under the thermal camera in a second. Around 2016, 2020. Oh, not that old then. That was funny. Well, it was funny. Oh, cool, mate. Did you blow a cap like retro? No, I heard that. Right, let's have a look. I've got no room. I'm getting 275 ohms. On the other one, I'm getting open line. Interesting. So why am I getting the ohms reading across that, but not on the other one? Right, so on the left I'm getting a reading, on the right I'm not. Does this system have just a radio or anything else like heating controls? No, just a radio. Voice, phone, media, radio, eject, nav, traffic and menu. SER, if you're available later on the Discord, can you drop me a message and give me advice on what I need to do streams? I'm clueless as to cameras, etc. The thing is, official, with that, it's a rabbit hole. People do things different ways. I could try and help you, but other people will probably tell you different ways of doing it. Trust me, it took me quite a while to build up to where I am now. I started off with just a microscope and my phone camera, but I could try and help you, yeah. Right, diode mode, that way I get 1.4, and on the other way I get 1.4 as well. What am I getting this way? 1.6, and the other way? Nothing. Oh, 0.3. So that's different. That's 0.3 that way. Wait, is this going to ground? Yeah, it's just going to ground. Polarity working device of pain in the ass. I just need a basic setup to get started. All I have is a microscope and a phone. And so, oh, okay, then that should be fine then. I could try and help you with that. Scotch key. I like saying Scotch key. Rectifier 40 volts, 2 amp single. All right, thanks. But I don't know why that's getting warm. But that's just going straight to ground anyway. I do not understand anything about car parts, including radio. I don't blow caps up for a living. Check then inductors. Reckon it'll be the inductors? Very rare inductors go. I have had one go before though. Yep, 0 ohms. This one would be fine. 0 ohms. There's no room in here at all. All right, well, first thing I am going to do is try reflow the RAM. Because it seemed like when it was cold, I don't know, remove diode and test it. How much voltage on it? Yeah, one's got a lower voltage drop than the other. The other one's got like 0.3 and the other one's only got 0.1. So oh, do I just take out the diode? I'm sure the diode's going to be fine. I also suspect that one diode is defective. You reckon? You want me
Andy's the best.
You want me to pull that diode out and check it? What? I'm not the best, Russ. Thank you. Measure diodes on the other board. Yeah. God, you're so fucking smart. So smart. I tell you what. Why the hell do I try and repair electronics when I haven't got brains like that? Hang on. That is such a good idea. Hey Retro, no mate, just had to mention it. Why not? What is what you love to fix the most? What's the most thing? It used to be Nintendo Switches, but I'm sick of them to be honest. But I do like watching other people trying to repair them. Oh, don't expose the name. Oh, it's just Foxy. Diode mode, I'm getting. Can you read that? Yeah. No, you can read it. Wait. It's upside down. I'm getting 0.1. It's the same. On the other one is ground. Wait, I never got ground on the other one. Did I? I didn't get ground on the other one. That's impossible. Oh, yes, I have. 0.14. Yeah, that diode's fine. 0.2. 0.9. I think that's the same. Yeah. 163. 195, pretty much the same. Did you ever try to do something extra from something that already built? Did you ever try to do something extra from something that already built? Not sure what you're trying to say. That's why we're all brother. That's why we're all a brother. It's a learning journey. Oh, 100%. You are measuring different. Measure the same way across the diodes. Okay. So the first one, faulty-ish one, I'm getting 0.167. It's the same thing basically. 0.146, so pretty much similar. Other way, I'm getting 0.143, and this way I'm getting 0.129, so it's pretty much the same. The other one, 163, and 0.3, 1.95, and 0.3. So they're fine. I don't think it's the diode, but I don't know why it's warming up. I don't... See, I could plug power into this and see if that warms up on here as well. Should I do that quick? Plug in this one and see what lights up. I mean, sorry, plug in this one. Plug in the working one. Watch the heat signatures. See what lights up and what shouldn't. Oh, but then I have to install the facier. Yeah, and measure voltages. Right, tell you what, let me reflow it first just because it's easier for me. Not that one, that's the good one. Let me just reflow it first. Oh, what's the voltage on each coil? Don't know. Let me just reflow this. Check what got warm on the board on the bottom left. You meant reboot? No, I'm going to reflow it first. Just to see if it makes it come back on. Let me disconnect the wires, just in case. Thing is, this facier's in the way again. I'm going to have to do it off from under the scope. Looks like back EMF diode or something, which could explain the low voltage drop and heat. Oh my god, I don't know what to do first. If you got the units confused... No, I haven't got the... This is the one I'm currently working on. All the same time. All at the same... It is, isn't it? There's so many different things to do. Right, let me measure voltages then on this bad one. Or do I just take good readings? No, because that's a long F. Right, let's start it up. Here we go. 12 volts. We'll pull in 600. Is it going to drop back down to 0? We're at 100, back down to 0. Okay. Power and on. How am I supposed to check voltages when it keeps shutting down like that? The bottom left, a power supply. I'm going to put a bit of heat into it. Just going to put a bit of heat into it. Only a little bit. Do 200 degrees full airflow from a distance. I've done this a few times and it made it come back to life. It's weird how it first worked when I first plugged it in. It's only at 200 degrees, Sergi. I don't think it'll pop at that. It might do. But from a distance with no nozzle, it should be fine. Yeah, it's weird. It worked at first try, but now it's not. No, I don't think this is going to do anything. See these big capacitors, maybe? Nah. press down on the RAM. What? Those big caps are fine. I swear I saw a flash. Maybe not. I could hear something. Something's whining. Then it cuts off. It can only be coiled from that power supply, maybe. Right, what do you guys reckon next? How are you powering the device? Through my bench power supply. It's 4 amps. I've got it set to 5 amps. I never put a restriction. That's why it's a radiate. I don't know if it's picking up on my microphone. Let me turn off the noise cancelling. Right, now listen. Ready? Hold on, I'm going to press it again. Anyway, it doesn't matter anyway. You probably couldn't hear it. The thing is, I can't even measure voltage because as soon as I press the power button, it shuts off. Hello, Sean. Yeah, coil noise, yeah. Is there a wire to identify the car switch on or off or not? I don't think so on this. But it's not that because it worked first try anyway. And now it doesn't. I'm just going to reflow the RAM. But I'm going to have to take the facier off for that reason. Did you try to fix laptops? I bet you would be pretty good at. No, I've only ever repaired one. Check bottom left with your thermal cap. I can't now. It's disconnected. Bottom left. That was from underneath the board. Things were getting hot under the board. Let me do this first, EDM Guru, and then I'll check your power supply area, whatever the hell that area is. Yeah, let me do this first. Whoa, that was a big jump. You can see him floating anyway. Hopefully I haven't bridged that. I didn't expect it to jump that much. Let's wait for it to cool down a bit. Copyright Peak Line Roofing. Oh, weird. Hello, Swin Electronic Repairs. Hiya. Yeah. A what? Sorry. Oh, a talks bit. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, is it? Yeah, yeah. But it's the same fan, but to be fair, there's like massive heat sinks inside the actual PS5 that also gets clogged, and also the power supply. They have like little air vents, and they usually get clogged as well. So it will need basically it would be £30 for a service. So that's complete stripped down, clean, yeah. And no, no, no. It takes me around what, about an hour and a half probably to strip it down, clean it all out, and put it back together. So I'm actually free whenever's best for you. It'll be done same day, if not next day, depending on what time it gets dropped off. No, I work from home. I've got a workshop at home. Yeah, yeah. Whenever's best for you. Yep, yep. I work Saturdays still. Yeah, it should do. As long as it's not dropped off after about 4 p.m., then it should be done same day. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, that would be fantastic. Just to give me a heads up. The latest will be 7 p.m. because I close at 6, and then obviously I have my dinner between 6 and 7, but I'm still available to answer the door. So 7 o'clock is my complete shut off. The earliest, what, today? Oh, on Saturday. After, yeah, it'll be 9 o'clock on Saturdays, the earliest. Yep. Yeah, it is, yeah. No problem. Once it's done, I'll ask for an email to send the invoice to, and it could be bank transfer or cash. It will have the details on the invoice. So it's whatever you prefer. No worries. No, you're welcome. All right, spot on. Cheers, buddy. I'll speak to you later. No worries. Yep. Yeah. Um, I'm not sure with that one. Yeah. Yeah. It probably is normal, but if it's not causing any issues, I won't worry about it, because intermittent faults, whatever, is actually hard to diagnose and stuff unless something actually goes wrong with it. So if it's just getting warm or hot, then I won't worry about it until it dies. It sounds bad, but all right, buddy. No worries. Speak to you later. All right, bye. Jesus Christ, bless him. Elay, LA, even. Sorry, not Elay. Hi, you're here too. Zach and LA. Let's go. Well, I was cleaning this up. It's probably all gone solid now. 9 a.m. Saturday. Won't you have a hangover from the party? What party? Oh. Oh, I see. Not long now. Not what? Not long till what? NAND flash is cooked. How do you know that, Crypto? Crypto Dreams. Was your name somewhat different before? NAND flash is cooked. You reckon it's the NAND? How come when it worked first try when I plugged it in? Surely if it was failed, it wouldn't have started up. I'm back. What I missed from fried what? A fried double diode. Oh no, that's working now. This is another one. Right, block your ears because I'm gonna blow this. LA is sat with. Testicles. Yep. I know I'm muted. Why is there always something with the NAND? Because everyone wants to see NAND APU reballs, swaps, APU NAND swaps. Right, let me see if that's made any difference. Probably not. Sorry, I couldn't resist that one. Yeah, no, you're good, Peter. Don't worry. Not a lot of people know. Russ does. Right, is this going to work now? Right, it's clipped in. Make sure these are not touching. There you go. Here we go. Ready? 3, 2, 1. 12 volts. Okay, pressing the power button. What's it going to do? Fuck off. No way was it just RAM reflow. No way. I knew it was a RAM. I thought it was a RAM problem because it would just crash, and it's very similar to switches. Very nice. What did you do? Tom, come here, you little
Andy's
shit.
the best.
Tom, get back in chat. Oh, you are there. Sound don't work. Component protection active. What do you mean? Oh, it's touchscreen as well. Yeah, you fixed it. Yeah, well, sound won't work. Component protective act. Is that what the issue is, Tom? I thought you said it would just die. Oh yeah, look, you've got no volume. No volume. A component protection is when the part received another VIN than registered. All right. Oh no, it's going again. No, that's not the issue. Looks like you may have fixed it. Now it's dying again. Now I heated up the board. It's going to die again. I haven't fixed it. But the fact that I heated up the center of the board, maybe there's something on the other side of that area. It's crashed again. That could be a shit screen. Leave it running. It's not responding to anything. It's frozen. It's crashed. See, now it's just shut off. But we are still pulling 1.3 amps. Oh, and then it flickered. And then it's restarting. Now it's restarting. So it did crash, but now it's rebooting. The current drawer is down compared to the other one. Is it? I didn't see what the other one was doing. Maybe it's just a Windows update. Imagine. Yes, the sound's disabled. But that's not... Oh, yeah, now it's going again. Maybe if I take the board out and have a look at the bottom. Because why has it suddenly started working now again after reflowing the RAM or the center bit? Something underneath it maybe needs reflowing. Is it going to restart again? Yeah. Well, yeah, it does. It restarts. It's on a boot loop. Okay, may still have the issue. They could turn off and on as part of the fault. Right, so it's still faulty. Looks like a Golf GTI. So, oh man, I really thought I did it then. I was like, yes. Component protection active. All right, let's take it apart. I'm going to get the board out and have a look. Kind of a watchdog circuit, yeah. Hello, Chris. RAM swap? I mean, are they the same as switches? They're like OLEDs, Micron, what's it called? Micron? They look like the same, don't they? What do you reckon, Zach? Do they look the same? Oh yeah, while it restarts, see if it's hot. Yes. Good thinking, Batman. See if something gets too hot and then it just dies. Well, we're on to something anyway. Alright, 12 volts. Let's get my thermal cam out quick. Wherever my thermal cam is. What do I do with it? There it is. Tom, to be honest, mate, I've got nothing else left until tomorrow. Is the other one not a donor? No, the other one's fixed. This is a donor now. It's a donor for this reason. Right, what are we doing? Powering it up?
Oh no!
We've got the red lights on the screen. Right, it's powering it up now. Something in that bottom left is warm, like EDM kept saying, and it seems to be that main chip. We're still on, it's crashed. It's got an all fuzzy screen. Just waiting for it to shut off. What's that down there? See, here's this center bit. Maybe I reflowed the RAM and it's caused this center bit, whatever's underneath there. It's a massive heat spot. I know it's diffused, yeah. Looks like APU needs reball. It's in the center on the back side, which makes sense because where I've done the RAM right next to it, and then it's made it start up. Yeah, there it goes. Just restarting now. Yeah, it's just restarted. But that resistor down there though is still pretty toasty. 45. What happened to it? I don't know. I reflowed the RAM and now we've got it coming on again, but it's crashing every minute. And then it restarts. I'll try reflow the CPU. AP reboot time. Well, let's see how big it is first. And see if... Whoops, just threw my phone. Trying to power it off. I think it's powered off. It's just glowing red. It's in standby. Let's take... Let's get my proper tool. Kyle, I bought it like this. Common issue. This is an all-in-one unit fitted to other vehicles, but Golf 7 uses variant of this system. Looking for a valid VIN number to stop protection. Probably needs reprogram or factory. Yeah, that's fine. I'm not worried about getting this unprotected, if that makes sense. I'm looking to just thinking how much do I need to strip this down to get it out. I'm just looking for it to keep on staying on. That's the point. On that other one, I forgot to screw this back in. Probably didn't even need to take that off. Maybe I did. Right, so this needs to come out. Ugh. God, I'm gonna have to take this right down. Is it just 4 motherboard screws and these 2, maybe? Yeah, I'm not worrying about the component protection. Yeah, my main goal is to keep it running. Stay on and working. All screws need to come out. Are you kidding? Oh, these are long ones. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. Oh, I got hot dogs tonight. Well happy. With fried onions. They're the only long ones. Oh, Tom. So how come you don't do any of this then? You know what you're doing. Like, how come you don't try the soldering part of it? I got Indian. What? So lucky, man. Another one on the top of power block. Oh yeah, thank you. I see it. My eyes are shut. Oh yeah, I remember you saying. I've tried soldering and it always goes wrong. Right, so this board should just slide out then. Yeah, there you go. There's more RAM at the bottom as well though. More RAM and the CPU. I mean, I could hand reball that. I've done it before. All 3 bad irons. I think I have a bad iron. All 3. Tom, if you want an iron, soldering iron, I recommend the Quicko. But it's spelled as that. That's how it's spelled. Quicko. £25. It's the iron that I use. Bloody brilliant. Can't go wrong for £25. It comes with the iron, the station, and a free soldering tip. Only $24.99. I'm promoting that iron now. Andy has a good iron. Asked him to show you how to fix it. Absolutely not. Right, so do I try and reflow these 2 before I go with the APU? I mean, why is there flux underneath this side? Oh, hold on. What's gone on here then? Has this been out before, Tom? Because there's flux underneath here. Somebody's already tried having a go at it. Somebody's already tried doing stuff down here. This has been worked on before. Not to my knowledge. Yeah, this has had work. Because I'll show you why. Right. Look at that. Hello, James. Have they taken the chip off of that? Ripped the pads? The trace is completely gone from there. And there's flux in places. Where else did I see the flux? Look, this is all. I know there's a big massive sticker over there. There you go. On this ramlet here, you can see there's flux residue. Where else did I see it? Yeah, I think there's some Here, look. Oh no, that could just be sticker. No, why would you have a sticker there? But yeah, that's definitely been worked on for some other reason. If I could get it to fucking focus. Oh, Zach, you're streaming tonight, aren't you, you little shit? Lost some pads, yeah, missing component. Well, I have 10 others if you want to try on something else. Oh no, I'm quite happy. This thing works. SCR this month sponsored by Quicko Soldering Irons. Oh yeah, yeah, this month is. Where's the affiliate link? Yes, you are. Good, good. But I don't know if this is important, what's been moved. Now, it is connected to fires. Great. I'm going to have to try and flip it over and try and guess where the hell that goes. Oh, okay. So it goes... Damn it. It goes... there through these two wires all the way down to... Oh, it's got a max chip. Now, I don't know where it goes from there onwards. It goes underneath that chip. Now, is that what's giving that error message? Because that chip's off, maybe. Well, maybe a good idea if I open another and send a photo. Yes, if you could get a photo of that picture of that chip, even, that would be amazing. He's off DJ Mike Minis. Yeah, that's old school now, 8-Bit Chris. That could be the CAN or LAN chip. Yeah, I'll have to do continuity to see where else that's connected to. Let me have a quick look. Because whatever that chip's for has been removed. Does it go to some sort of power? I don't know. Let's try there. Does it go to any of these? It's such a tight space. Oh, that's disappointing. Is that a ground leg? Well, it goes to that chip anyway. No, it won't be a ground leg. And it goes to that one. So these two. Now, what's this chip? It goes to these two legs. Give me a few moments and I'll send one via email. Spot on, Tom. Are you on Discord? Actually, no, there's no point. You're not really. Yeah. A 16 milliamp SOT23 inverting charge pump with shutdown. It's not a pump. It's nothing like a pump. Yeah, DJI Mic Minis are old news now. Quicko Soldering Irons of this month's must-have purchase. Put it on your letter to Santa. Yeah, let's do it. Yes, I'll Discord it to you. Oh, amazing. Are you in my... Yeah, you are in my server, aren't you? Yeah, it's easier just to do it through Discord. I forgot you jumped in on that. Yo, hello, Steve. Where you been, man? The Max 1697. Oh, Sergi, thank you. Is ultra small monolithic CMOS charge pump voltage inverter. Accepts an input voltage ranging from 1.25 to 5.5 volts. This device features an ultra low 12 ohm output of 60 milliamps. So, what's its purpose? Is a CMOS, just a CMOS charge pump voltage inverter. So that just holds its clock settings then. Oscillator control circuitry and 4 power MOSFET switches are included on the chip. Applications include generating a negative supply from 5 volts to 3.3, logic supply to power analog circuitry. MOSFET. So is that chip that's been taken off needed? Or am I just looking into it too deep? What's connected? I'm just waiting for an image back from Tom. I don't know why it's so dark on this board. This motherboard looks really dark compared to another board. My feet are cold. Try the thermal again. What, upside down? You want to see the underside of it with the thermal posted in Discord. Oh, have you? Is it under general? Ah, yes, you have. DigiKey. Automotive USB protector. Oh, it's just a USB protector. It's an automotive USB protector with CD. That's a bit of a mess, isn't it? Just a little bit. But I don't think that's LDO. Nah, I don't think that's the LDO. I don't know, to be fair. It's 3.3 LDO maybe. This is the CPU though. I might try and reflow it. It is a small CPU. It's about the same size as a Switch one, maybe a bit bigger. I think it might be the same size. So good. That should be a power supply. I see dual gate there. What? That's a dual gate. I'm back. Did the reflow work? What, the CPU? I found this first, Phil. So my next thing. Sorry, is it that loud? Sorry. I need my vape. I'm really begging for it at the minute. I think I'm just going to reflow the CPU next. Still waiting for an image. Well, sorry, Tom's still dismantling one to figure out exactly what's missing. Oh my god, that's so good. So good. Not loud enough, vape. Sorry, grass puddle. Right, let me reflow this. I keep saying that. If I move my microscope up, that's as high as I could take it. Why is it so bloody dark? I don't want to reflow it when it's this close. Is it because of the light reflection? Don't know. Let's put some underneath it to level it out a bit. Is that level enough? That should be level enough. Focus it a bit more. There you go. 21 Pilots. Car Radio. Nice song. Which one by 21 Pilots? Which song? Screw it. Just pull it apart now. Just pulling it apart now. Screws out. Just pulling it apart. Oh, right. Yeah, no worries, Tom. Yeah, no worries. Right, let me add some flux. This is, I don't know if I should take the thermal paste off or leave it. I'll leave it. It's not going to do any damage. Here we go. 440, 70%. It's kind of hard to do it under the scope, but I need to see if it will nudge. It's like when the CPU starts getting warm, it disconnects. But I thought it would be the other way around. Car Radio, I said. All right, Sergio. Just heating around the CPU first. Mr. Blobby on that IC? Where? Oh, you're on about the squished Mr. Blobby. Yeah, he's a bit yellow though. Let's have a look. Oh, no, someone's at my door. Damn it. Oh, that sucks. Oh, hold on. Someone's at the door. I don't know who it is. Oh, bloody hell. So I fixed that tablet, didn't I, with the USB-C port. And I think I forgot to disconnect the Wi-Fi antenna because Wi-Fi only works if you get close to the router. It's annoying. Whoops, I'm running over bubble wrap. The max chip, oh, here we go, here we go. The max chip is in fact in a max 16971. Right, back to this again. Hopefully it's not cooled down too much. It's a PMIC, Power Management IC. So for it to be missing this mystery chip as well, something's definitely not being powered correctly. It's your new lover. Mwah. Don't know, she was pretty hot. Oh no, what now? Is that not the door again? Oh no, it's not, okay. Should have my fume extractor on. Jeez. Wow, how much heat is this taking? Go away! All of it, yeah, it's taking all of it. Look, it's burning the... There we go. Flowed. Oh, is that... Right, okay, yeah, cool. Much better. Much better. Who's that? What a name. Right, that chip. Oh no, can you not get a closer one of that, Tom? It's too blurry. Do you know where that chip is? I can't read that chip. I need to know the markings on it. If you could... Such bad pictures. Tom, mate, can you not get a real close-up? No, that's cool. I can't read that chip from a distance. Ow, this board's still pretty toasty. Oh man, I'm not going to be able to clean all that off. This ain't going to do anything. This just needs to be... Right, I'm going to have to blow it out using my...
Leoman subscribed to the
Blowman,
channel.
thank you for subscribing. I don't know why I don't have notification audio again. What did I do last time to fix it? Right, anyway, I can't remember what I did. All right, let me just... Oh... Yeah, I know you guys hear it, but I didn't hear it. I think it's to do with my output settings. Audio. Desktop audio. Global audio devices. Output. Copyright. Copyright. Oh, no, they just prank called me. Okay, no worries. Desktop audio is default. What did I do last time to fix that? Huh. Advanced audio properties. Desktop audio, monitor and output. Yeah, maybe it's that. All right, let's try that. I don't know. What? Just a question. This is new in YouTube. What is XP? I don't know. I think I've disabled it my end. I can hear you fine. Yeah, I know, but I could. Sorry, I was in a. Yeah. If you want, Tom. Yeah, go ahead, buddy. Just want to see if this works now. Did you? That's clipped in. The face here. Plug that in. Like that. Should be okay. Oh, you guys can't even see. Why did you not do scene? It's got to wait for a phone call from a Tom. Wait, was that you who's calling me then? No, that's a different number. Did we get benefits or something? What for? Oh, the XPs. No, it's just for boasting rights. It's just to say, oh, look, I'm first. I'm number one. That's just boasting rights. Right, okay, I've got to be careful now because what's that now? Sent an image. Don't tell me about number one. What's wrong with number one? Right, okay. Keep it away from there. Right, ready? See if it's made any difference. Well, that's drawing higher current this time. Oh, well, we've still got red lights, so that's a good sign. Powering it on. Nothing. No response now. No response from the power button. We have got a screen that lights up. Wait. Reflow killed it. Reball time. Nah, probably just needs cleaning better. Make a car noise that thinks you're in the car. Right, let's try and have a look what that is. Yeah, I need to read what that chip is. I can't see it from a distance, Tom. Because I'm reballing. There's going to be so many balls on it. Let me try and clean it out one more time. Right, is this you, Tom? Hello, it's from Electronic Repairs. Oh, you're right.
I've got a really small one.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh. No, I'm having fun with it. Don't worry. Yeah. Yeah. But no, that's cool. I'll I'll let you know if I do decide that. But to be fair, I'm quite happy with this one at the minute. Yep, amazing. Cheers, Tom. All right, speak to you in a bit. Bye. Oh, Tom. Can't get enough. Only 2 counts. And he got a new lover. I'm going to carry on trying to clean it out. Just give it a bit of warmth. The balls look spot on. And that would take me ages to reball that anyway. Just going to blow it. Block your ears. Bro love, because I'm reballing. I don't know if I could reball that. I've done it before for someone else's, but not a radio. It was something else. I think it was like a reversing camera, to be fair. That's quite a lot of balls. I don't know if you can see that. You should be able to. Yep, shite was deaded. Let's try it now. We're going to get a response. Hang on. It's IPA everywhere. I'm going to stop streaming at 6 because I still need to have dinner and stuff. I may have killed it, so I may have to do the reball. I'll do that off stream. Okay, here we go. Watching the voltage. Still at the 70s. That's higher than what it was before though, wasn't it? It was like 60s before. 600s. Quick fix Waggos blew the board. Nah. That reflow kind of... Stop screaming, you mean? Not streaming. Am I screaming?
Andy's the best.
Ah, yeah, that's shorted. That's really hot. Yeah, the CPU's shorted now. No. No. What? Well, at least I could watch a half-hour of Andy's... Yeah. Well, I might have to take the CPU off and reball it. Yeah, that's at 50 degrees. I mean, I don't know. Is that shorted? 53 degrees? That's on the top side. That means it'll be hotter on the other side though, most likely. It wasn't that hot before. That's the hottest thing on there. Let me take off the CPU. See how bad it is to reball. I don't even know if I need to order some more solder balls as well. God, it's a mess on my desk. Who does number 2 work for? How are they going to give Stream Elements a number 2 spot? Rigged. Oh, sorry about that. How did the reflow affect it though? Because it looks spot on. That's a lot of balls, guys. That's a lot of balls. Happy birthday, Russ. We'll try and figure out how to keep this up. Balls, yeah. I'll use this again. Like that. That might do it. All right, let's prepare it. Where's your vices? Oh yeah. Yeah, but that's going to cause too much flex in the board. Most likely. It'll probably start bowing. So I really fancy them biscuits. I might have to have a couple. Why does somebody always message me or something when I'm doing like this? James, stop it. I think that has to do with XP. Got poo loads of my 360 days. What, spam? I am so confused. Oh my god, seriously. James, stop if that's you still. Takes you half an hour to look at text. Yes, I know, because I'm doing stuff. Get stuck into those biscuits. You deserve it. Ah, thank you. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Wow, they're quite big balls, actually. Oh my god, there's hundreds. Fume extractor, because that is kicking out a lot of fumes. Got shitloads of balls left over. Radio says no. That's a lot of balls. So if this does fix this radio, and that's the fix, it's a CPU reball. That's crazy. Wow. I know I've missed a couple. Board's getting a bit too cold. Do you have clips disabled or am I just dumb? No, they should be enabled. I just can't hear anything yet because I've got my fume extractor on. Why, what are you trying to do? Is it not working? Really dark. Right, I think that's every one of them done. Yeah, I think that'll do it. Was trying to. Oh, clips! I thought you meant like my meme clips. Yeah, they're disabled. I've not even enabled it. So sorry about that. You're not dumb. No one is ever. No one is. Everyone is capable of anything really. You're not dumb. No one is. Everyone is capable. No one is. Everyone is. Oh my god, my brain. I need biscuits. Oh my god, they're crumpled. I'm actually starting to shake because I'm hungry. It's a lot of flux. Save some for us, Meanie. I'm sorry I can't. They're actually really nice. I love Bourbon biscuits. Right, that's all ready for the CPU to be put back on. Now it's a reball of this bloody chip. It's not many. Still quite a lot. I wonder if I got a stencil that might fit it. Okay, it's gonna have to be like that. Glad you're enjoying them. Yeah, thank you, Tom. Really nice. Thing is, I've got my dinner in like 15 minutes, so I can't eat too many. Fix it then. Hope you do have a stencil. Yeah, so do I. Wow, that's a lot of solder. Oh, you're on about on the blob? Yeah, I accidentally went a bit too much. But it's okay. Right, that's spent now. I can't pick up anymore. Is my noise cancelling still on? Yeah. Hopefully my fume extractor's not too loud. Should be alright. Okay, that's good. Some UV resin will fix it. What, your keyboard? It's fine. I take it you mean the fume extractor. Alright, let's have a look, see what that's done. I'm zoomed in way too far. Zoomed out way too much. Did anyone take note which orientation the CPU went? Oh, no. Oops. That looks like a nice chip holder. What is that, Andy? This is the Amio one. It's filthy. Amio Afix. But yeah, the only issue is with it, when it starts getting clogged up, it gets really hard to twist this unless you keep it really clean, which I'm terrible at. I used to spin really freely, but not so much now. Surprised you're still here, Zach. All right, now let's see if I got the stencil for it. Oh, will it fit in the switch hole? See, it is almost this, slightly smaller than the switch one. All right, now let me see. Any of these? I'm lurking, setting up stream stuff. Let's go. Right, I forgot who was it who wanted help with the streaming? I can't remember who it was. Nope. I know a switch one won't work. No, that's even out of alignment. The one that's open here. Oh, what did you say? Sorry? I can scrape the paste off another CPU. No, it's fine. There might be a marking on the board. Let me have a quick little look. I'm pretty sure it was bottom left. There's no markings, but I think it was the bottom left. Actually, oh no, it's at the bottom of the board. Just put a switch associate. Yes! Yes, Zach. Where's my bag of stencils? Oh, I hate having to draw bits. Oh, actually, guys, maybe you could help me with this because I might be dumb. I might have to hand reap all this, so I won't be doing that on stream. Graphics 100%. Just yeah, read that already. There's a missing pad on the CPU, so it can only have one way up. Oh yeah. See, Daniel, you are a legend. GG. So I've got given this by Chris P. Bacon, right? And inside it is this. I was like, okay, there's a little syringe thing inside it. So I took that off, got this out, right? How the hell do I attach it to this? Because I can't put that on there, right? And then pull that off. And that won't stay on there. It's really loose. You can't push it down really hard or nothing. It won't stay on. Oh, unless you've got to pierce a hole in. Oh, never mind. Solved. Solved. Do you know how long that took me? I was like struggling for so long the other day trying to figure it out. That bottle pisses me off. Does it? Oh, I just got given it. Oh my God, that took me so long. 200 IQ moment. Right, got it. Right, that's good. I'll try that next. Why did it pee you off, Zach? I've got to give it a go. I've lost my stencils. I had a bag of stencils. Unless it's in this drawer. It is in this drawer. Oh, yeah, here it is. Andy, it took me 2 months to figure that out. Don't worry. Oh, really? It leaks for you. Oh, it leaks a bit. Okay. Glad we could help. This is stupid. I don't know why it took me so long to figure that out. Cool, I'll try that next stream. All right, we've got some big boys here. Even if it does most of them, and then I only have to fill in the rest of the holes, I don't mind. That one looks kind of cool. Whoops. No. Not the right one. No. If it don't fit, put it back on the same pile. Whoops, too late now. They will eventually. Mine didn't leak at first. Oh, Zach, did you do a comparison with your microscope about the quality of the image? No, that don't fit. I think I'm screwed. Oh, no. No, this is going to have to be a hand job. A hand reball job. A hand jobby. Oh. No, that's way too big. Yes, it's a bit worse, but I think I have a solution. If you do, let me know, because there's another YouTuber that's got the same issue and it does my nut in. See, my anti-glare is different to your guys. Like mine, I don't know, mine doesn't blur it out. I like my one. You need the tools, Andy. I know I do. Everyone loves a hand job. I meant as in a hand job one. I have to reball it by hand. Yeah. What's your anti-glare? It's the iFixes. It's the iFixes IL37. Bloody brilliant. So look. So if I get a bit of flux on it. Oh no, got a bit of flux. Well, there's no glare, but it's usually like pretty glary, but I just eliminate it all. All right, gym time. Yeah, I'm off soon anyway. I'm not going to start reballing this. You're welcome, Juiced. I'm not going to reball it today. It's my food time. I'm just going to remove the glass, covering the lens, and then add a polarized filter directly to the Barlow lens. Oh, are you going to do that today? Or is that a future thing? The glass plastic just too thick. Oh, is that what it is? Yeah, because if I show you my lens... Oh, no, I can't bother to get it out. Oh. No, future thing. Oh, okay. Right, guys, I'm going to head off now because it is pretty much 6 o'clock and I'm not going to start reballing this today. So I'm just going to leave it like this till tomorrow. I can't bother to clean it up. Yay, food. Catch you later, people. Everyone's going for food anyway. Explain to me, Andy. I'm interested. I was just going to show you my lens thing. It's there, look. That's all. That's all I was going to show. Yes, thank you, everyone. Thanks to all the lurkers. I don't know how many I've got watching at the minute. I hide my numbers. Even if you don't take it off. Huh? You're welcome, My Solder Experiments. Thanks, Kawask. I didn't know you were here. Tom, don't blame you. Yeah, I'll definitely continue it. Just it's food time. See you later, Peter. Thank you. David, can see you next time. Yes, you will. How long will 624 balls take? Is that how many it is? You're welcome, babes. Grass puddle. Bye, Kyle. Grass puddle. I think I said that anyway. Sean Cosway. Bye, Zach. Bye. Bye, Rusty Russ. Bye, Falcon. You are welcome. Simon Wise. Bye then. Finish it tomorrow. Yes, I am going to finish it tomorrow. See you in the morning. Yeah, see you in the morning. I might come over your house. Bye, Sergi. Bye, Chris. Right, is that everyone now? I think it is. Right, I'm going out in 3, 2. Yeah, you too, Tom. 1. Bye, guys. Bye, John Carr.